Good morning, students. Welcome to the today's session, Chapter 7, Human Skeletal and Nervous System. Yesterday, we are discussing about our nervous system, right? The nervous system include brain, nerves, and spinal cord. So, brain, yesterday we have discussed. Today, we will discuss about the spinal cord. If you see at the back side, you can able to see a long bone right in the middle that is called as a spine. Okay, from where it starts? It starts from the end of the brain and extend from the down to the lower back. Up to the back you can able to see. What is its main function? To connect the brain to other parts of the body. So the spinal cord is enclosed and protected by the backbone. It is connected by the backbone. And how it is connected to the brain? Mainly by means of the brainstem. By means of the brainstem, it is connected. And the spinal cord, what is its work? The spinal cord is responsible for the transmission of neural messages from the brain and to the all parts of the body. Suppose if you are sending the messages, who will send this one? Namely the spinal cord. So it will transform the neural messages as a signals and it will send to the brain and rest part of the body. It is also independently controls many reflex actions in our body. Okay, the actions that do not involve the brain, it is called as a reflex action. So what is a reflex action? So the action that do not perform by the brain. The brain will not involve in them. It is called as a reflex action. And then coming to the next, it is called as a nerves. If you see your hands and the wrist, you can be able to see the green color, right? Green color wire-like structure. Can able to see? Take your hand in the wrist area. See, you can able to see the nerves. Okay. So the nerves are, it is made up of one or more bundles of fibers that form a part of the nervous system. It is also one of the part of the nervous system. What they will do? They carry the messages to and back from the brain. Okay, what they will do? They will carry the messages to and back to the from the brain. So there are three type of nerves are there: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. How many nerves? Sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. So what is sensory nerves? So they carry the messages to the different part of the body to the brain or the spinal cord. From all the body, the messages will be carried and it is sent to the brain or spinal cord. So they are, who will do? They are called as a sensory nerves. Okay. And motor nerves, what they will do? They carry the messages from the brain to the spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Can you able to understand what the sensory nerves will do? They will collect all the messages from the body and they will send to the brain or spinal cord. What the motor nerves will do? They carry the messages from the brain and they will spread to different parts of the body. And then mixed nerves. What are mixed nerves? They carry the messages from the different parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord, as well as from the brain to the spinal cord to different parts. They will do both the work. That sensory nerves and the motor nerves, they will do only the specific function, but this mixed nerves will do all the functions, carrying the messages from and to and back to the brain. Okay, repeating again, nerves. What are the nerves? They are made up of one or more bundle of fibers. What they will do? They carry the messages to and back from the brain. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What are sensory nerves? They will carry the messages from different parts of the body and it will send to brain or spinal cord. What the motor nerves will do? They carry the messages from the brain to the spine or the spinal cord to different parts of the body. What the mixed nerves will do? It do both the work. Carrying the message from body to brain and carry the message from brain to body. Both the work it will do. And then next one, reflex action. So what is reflex action? Suppose you are going to touch a hot object. Okay, you are going to touch a hot object. After touching a hot object, what you will do? You will suddenly take your hand, right? Who has this one? It is called as a reflex action. It is an immediate automatic response of our body to the stimulus. Reflex actions are rapid and happens without giving us time to think. They will perform very fastly. It doesn't need more time to think. Okay, it is a quick response. Who is controlling this one? Mainly our spinal cord. Reflex actions are controlled by our spinal cord. Okay. And today what we have discussed, what are the functions of the spinal cord? What it will do? The spinal cord mainly responsible for transmissions of neural messages. And then how many type of nerves are there? Three type of nerves: motor nerves, sensory nerves and mixed nerves. What are motor nerves? They carry the messages from the brain or the spine. So they carry the messages from the brain or the spinal cord to different parts of the body. And what are mixed nerves? It do both the work, carrying the messages from the brain to all parts or carrying the messages from all parts to the brain. And what is a reflex action? An immediate action or immediate response of our body to stimulus. Stimulus means what? Something that causes physical response in a body part.